Hey guys, it's Danny. Today I'm going to be showing you a simple and easy way to upload a video to YouTube via YouTube Studio, as it's not very obvious on how to do it. So, to get started, you need to go to the top right corner and see those three buttons? Well, press the arrow one. This is the symbol for uploading. Then, click on Select Files and choose the file that you want to upload. Make sure it's the video file that you want to post. To do this, you need to look at the corner where it shows the video and you can see if it's the correct one or not. Now, you'll see various settings, but not to worry, it is a very easy process and you can customize your vid there. Then, set it to public and publish it. That's all you need to do. If this was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye!